Alright, I'm making this video after I repaired this knob on a 2010 Toyota Corolla. It had been turned all the way to the right, to the defrost. And when it was turned back, the airflow did not change. It stayed at defrost. And what had happened on the back of this unit is this piece here. And if you look, that round black is a wheel, and there's a wire that wraps around the wheel. And that's, as you turn the dial, it changes the position inside. I guess it's like a damper. But anyway, the wire here had just come off and was just hanging out. And I took this piece off and disconnected that little screw there, pulled the wires, and fed them back around. The key piece is this little, I think it's made of brass. It's right at the tip of my thumb there. You have to feed that back into that little slot, and that holds the wire in place around the spool. And you can see the wire there. So put that all back together, and now I can redirect the direction of the air. Now this piece just fits in to the back of this piece right here. There's one piece here that snaps in and holds it in place. And that's all it took to repair this. I mean, it was a pain. It was a pain taking care of putting the wire back in place and getting the little screw out, and then working all of that. But shoot, this piece here, I believe it's somewhere between $60 and $100. So once again, this is a 2010 Corolla, and the directional knob had stopped working, and I had seen videos on how to take the trim off and pull the radio out, but I had not seen anyone fix this guy. I'd seen the air temperature piece repaired or replaced, but nobody had ever done anything with this one. So hopefully this will help some people out. Just check to see, after you take the radio out, which fits right in here, you can look behind in this area and you'll be able to see if the wire is still intact. But my wire was hanging out, and I put it back in, and all's fine now. So I'm gonna put the car back together, and good luck.